Prior to buying the house, we had a survey done on the home buyer survey, and it identified that the house was energy rating E, so we know there were some improvements needed. Unfortunately, this house is solid brick, so the walls are not suitable for insulation or cavity wall, so the easiest option and the fastest option for me was to replace the windows with triple glazing to ensure it improves our insulation, but also security in the property. My neighbour, the farmer next door actually, had just used Starglaze to fully redo all their windows, and we contacted Starglaze off a recommendation. From initial installation, the first week there was no drafts. We felt the house was retaining the heat better. Originally we were going to go with cream, but we thought we were worried that might get a bit dated. So with the sort of age of the house, which is 1700s, we thought white would be the best option. It's sort of dateless and it's in keeping with other houses in the area. We went flush sash just because it looked quite modern. We've got some pictures of the old farmhouse and they had similar windows which were wooden. These windows allow us to keep the house in keeping with the original footprint, but it also gives that aesthetic appeal from the outside, especially the front of the house where it is the old farmhouse. It is 1700 and it doesn't sort of ruin the appeal by just putting standard double glazing windows in. After initially contacting Starglaze online, I think the customer service from the second I clicked submit that form was second to none. Got an initial call, arranged an appointment. This was a couple of days before the Christmas holidays. The salesman came round. He wasn't pushy. He gave us the options and different choices to what we could have, what we couldn't have, what would look good with the house. He had a lot of knowledge and experience that really helped us to make that decision. During installation as well, the time it took to install, but the quality and attention to detail and cleaning up after themselves, it gave us a confirmation we made the right decision. The speed from the initial quote all the way to installation, for us it only took a matter of 8 weeks, and that's from custom designs, different size windows. I think we had 18 windows in total, all triple glazed as well. So I think the speed, but also the quality and the communication really stood out to us, and why I recommend Starglaze. I think the service I got was outstanding.